Stop! Don't decorate until you see these light blue and white bedroom ideas. Idea 1. Frosty Retreat Light Blue and White Bedroom Ideas. Embrace a cozy, winter aesthetic by layering soft textures and shades of blue and white. Start with a plush rug and textured throw blankets to create warmth. This serene winter bedroom decor feels like a peaceful, snowy retreat. It's the perfect sanctuary. Idea 2. A fresh and modern light blue bedroom design. Don't be afraid to go all in on a color you love. A monochromatic look with different shades of blue creates a seamless and relaxing space. This modern bedroom design is a perfect example of how a consistent palette can feel super fresh. Idea 3. Coastal Serenity Dreamy Blue Bedroom Design. Turn your bedroom into a romantic escape. Use soft, sheer curtains to create a dreamy canopy effect. Layer plush white bedding and an intricate rug to add texture. This romantic bedroom decor is all about pure relaxation and luxury. Idea 4. Bohemian Chic Light Blue and White Bedroom Style. Mix natural elements to get a bohemian and chic look. Combine a woven pendant light and wall art with soft textiles. The key is to use textures to bring your bohemian bedroom design to life and make it feel super cozy. Idea 5. Serene Symmetry in a Light Blue Bedroom Design. Symmetry is the key to a calm, uncluttered design. Use identical nightstands and pendant lights on each side for a clean, balanced look. This style creates a minimalist bedroom design that feels super serene and peaceful. Idea 6. Cottagecore Blue and White Bedroom Decor Ideas. Create a cozy vibe with a cottage-style bedroom design. Use a gallery wall with botanical prints and mix different textiles. Combining floral patterns with solid colors gives your cottagecore bedroom style a super charming and relaxed feel. Idea 7. A classic contemporary blue and white bedroom. Simple, chic decor is the way to go. Use subtle shades of blue and white in your textiles and art. Combine clean-lined furniture with soft textures for a classic bedroom design that feels fresh yet super sophisticated. Idea 8. Nautical Blue and White Bedroom Decor Ideas. A nautical theme is a fun and fresh way to decorate. Use sailboat art as a cool focal point. Combine stripes and textures in the bedding to bring your nautical bedroom decor to life and create a unified space. Idea 9. Create an elegant blue and white bedroom style. Elegance is all about mixing textures and paying attention to details. A tufted headboard and thick curtains are key. Layer cushions and blankets with subtle patterns for a sophisticated bedroom design that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Idea 10. Modern Art Light Blue and White Bedroom Vibe. Mix natural elements with an artistic touch for a unique design. Hang an abstract piece of art above your bed and add plants or branches to soften the clean lines. This modern bedroom design creates a serene and personal vibe. Idea 11. A whimsical light blue and white bedroom style. Make a kid's bedroom feel totally magical. Use a bed canopy and floor decals to create a whimsical vibe. Combine crisp white furniture with pastel blue accents for a kid's bedroom design that sparks imagination and sweet dreams. Idea 12. Tranquil Coastal Kitchen Oasis. A small kitchen can feel incredibly spacious. This cozy coastal kitchen design uses bright white and deep ocean blue colors to expand the area visually. Smart, multifunctional furniture is key for maximizing space in tiny homes. Idea 13. Serene Cloud-Themed Bedroom. This dreamy cloud-themed bedroom creates a soothing escape, perfect for unwinding. Incorporating whimsical wall decals and soft, plush textures can turn a simple room into a magical retreat for children. Creative bedroom decor is all about imagination. Idea 14. Dynamic Blue and White Bedroom. A bold blue accent wall can instantly transform a bedroom's vibe. Pair it with crisp white linens and sheer curtains to create a serene, yet striking contrast. Modern bedroom design often uses minimalist decor for a clean, sophisticated look. Idea 15. Deep blue ocean bedroom. Creating a cohesive blue bedroom theme can be achieved by layering different shades and textures. Mixing a patterned rug, solid bedding, and abstract art adds visual interest. This bedroom decor idea demonstrates how thoughtful layering enhances a space. Idea 16. Monochromatic blue elegance. A monochromatic bedroom design can be both sophisticated and calming. By using various shades of a single color, like this elegant blue, you can create a cohesive look. Textural elements like the tufted ottoman add depth to the luxury bedroom decor. Idea 17. Soothing pale blue retreat. Create a calming bedroom retreat by using a soft, pale blue palette. Pairing this gentle color with gold accents and light textures adds a touch of elegance. Choosing plush bedding and layered curtains enhances the tranquil feel of a master bedroom. Idea 18. Timeless elegance in blue. Creating a serene master bedroom is simple with a classic blue and white palette. Using framed art and matching lamps adds symmetrical balance, while a neutral rug grounds the space. This look proves that traditional bedroom decor never goes out of style. Idea 19. Blissful sky blue bedroom. Creating a restful teen bedroom is about combining function with style. Floating shelves offer a modern solution for storage and display, while string lights add a soft, ambient glow for cozy nights. This room decor idea is both practical and charming. Idea 20. Bright, minimalist blue bedroom. This minimalist bedroom design feels airy and bright, using a clean color palette of light blue and white. Simple, streamlined furniture with hidden storage keeps the room tidy, proving that small bedroom solutions can be both stylish and functional for a serene space. Idea 21. Chic sky blue bedroom. Transform a bedroom into a chic retreat by painting the ceiling and walls a cohesive, light shade of blue. This continuous color creates an expansive feel, while a gallery wall adds personality. This is a great elegant bedroom idea for a sophisticated space. Idea 22. Tranquil blue bedroom sanctuary. This serene bedroom design uses various shades of blue to create a calming and unified space. Layering different textures, like a chunky knit throw and a detailed rug, adds depth and coziness. This bedroom decor idea makes a restful retreat. Idea 23. Elegant powder blue sanctuary. This elegant bedroom design feels luxurious and serene with its sophisticated use of light blue. The classic furnishings and framed art create a balanced look. Incorporating a bench at the foot of the bed is a great decorating idea for extra seating and style. Idea 24. Cozy coastal bedroom vibes. This coastal-themed bedroom creates a relaxing atmosphere by combining soft textures and a serene palette. The artwork of ocean waves complements the room's color scheme, making it a perfect beach house bedroom idea. It's a restful space with a hint of seaside charm. Idea 25. Charming country blue bedroom. This country-style bedroom brings the outdoors in with a beautiful blue palette and large windows. The mix of floral and geometric patterns on the pillows and rug adds visual interest and a cozy, layered feel, making it a perfect master bedroom idea. Idea 26. Cozy minimalist blue room. Creating a cozy bedroom is simple with a minimalist approach. The use of floating shelves offers a clean, modern look for displaying art, while fairy lights add a warm, inviting glow. This bedroom decor idea is perfect for creating a calming space. Idea 27. Gentle blue tranquility. A serene bedroom design can be achieved by painting the walls a soft, light blue. To make the space feel even more open, use a lighter color on the ceiling. This calming bedroom decor is a great way to create a peaceful retreat. Idea 28. Calm blue minimalist bedroom. Creating a serene minimalist bedroom is easy with a cohesive color scheme. This room uses various blue shades to establish a relaxing mood, while layered textures like the throw blanket and poof add cozy depth. This room decor idea is a perfect way to design a restful sanctuary. Idea 29. Whimsical canopy bedroom. Create a whimsical bedroom retreat with a soft blue palette and sheer fabrics. A simple canopy bed instantly adds a fairy tale-like charm to the space, making it an enchanting bedroom decor idea for a cozy and imaginative sanctuary. Idea 30. Blue and white master bedroom. To create a tranquil master bedroom, layer different patterns in the same color scheme. Pairing floral and abstract designs on pillows and rugs adds visual interest without overwhelming the senses. This is a classic bedroom decor idea for a sophisticated space.
If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share my channel.